How to use Kimi K3 AI like a pro. If you want to use it like a pro, you need to get the pro version of it. For that, click on the three line at the top right and then click on the option called upgrade plan. Once you click on it, you can upgrade your Kimi K3 AI to a pro version. Then you can ask it multiple questions. Now, if you have the pro version of Kimi K3 AI, you can just start asking a question. To use it like a pro, you need to make sure your prompt is in detail. Like if you want to generate an image of a dog, make sure like, hey, generate me image of a dog, which is a golden retriever with a golden eye and the background has like a sun shining and everything. Like the more in-depth you describe your prompt, the better result Kimi K3 AI is gonna give. And it's not just for like generating image. If you want to create notes for your homework, you can do that and all those stuff. And to use Kimi K3 AI like a pro, you see there's slides, forms, websites, deep search, all this feature. Google it in YouTube and watch videos on each one of this, because if you master each one of these features, you can use Kimi K3 AI like a pro. So you have to understand these features as well. All right. And make sure to learn about prompting, all this stuff, and you can start using Kimi K3 AI like a pro. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.